Hey guys, Pandi here of the Simply Pandi Show, as well as Pandi's Hair Candy and more. Coming on to share some information with you all on my business opportunity that is available. Um, so that the information is available to you for those of you who are considering perhaps pursuing a side hustle or an additional stream of income. So at this point in time, I am going to share the screen and allow a business presentation to play. And if you are interested in finding out more information, you can reach me either in the description box below, or you can go to the About Me tab on my channel, and my contact information is there. Okay? So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started.
Hi, and welcome to CTFO. My name's Stuart Finger, and I'm the CEO, and you are definitely in the right place at the right time because I invented and copyrighted our pay plan so more people can make more money or wealth, and that's exactly what's happening here at CTFO. I get asked all the time, what's CTFO different? Let me give you just a few examples. First of all, we give you a free turnkey business. There's no gimmicks, there's no gotchas. We give you free personalized websites, an online marketing system, and your support to help you all the way along with your journey. We have no purchase required. That's right. You can make money here at CTFO without ever purchasing anything. We have the hottest products the world has ever seen, CBD and CBDA. Don't take my blood. We also have a 60-day money-back guarantee on all of our products so nobody gets hurt, and we also have the lowest return rate of any company we've ever seen. We have life-changing testimonials that prove that our products do what they're supposed to do. And imagine getting in a business that you have over 80 products at your fingertips that you don't even have to keep in stock. The company ships them to your customers for you, and then the following week pays you. We also have the fairest, multiple different ways. The owners are paid as associates, including myself. So folks, if I want a pay raise, the only way I can get it is to give you one. It never gets any fairer than that. And we have amazing success stories of people making money all over the place. We have a patented delivery system called 10x Pure. This creates maximum bioavailability. In other words, it where they need to go better than any other products out there. We also own the worldwide rights to this exclusive patented technology. So if you don't get it at CTFO, you can't get it anywhere else. That makes us totally unique. Now, look, the next question you should be asking yourself is, what should I do next? It's simple. Start your free CTFO business. There's no gimmicks, there's no gotchas. Try the CTFO products for yourself. Remember, become a product of the product. And then the third thing is enjoy the benefits of CTFO. This is a complete turnkey online business anybody can do. There's just one question that I'd like to ask you. If you don't take control of your health and wealth, who will? I'm going to highly recommend that you get started today. Thanks so much for listening. I can't wait to hear about all your success at CTFO.
All right. So now that you've had an opportunity to hear about the amazing benefits that are available through CTFO, all I need for you to do is drop down in the comments below. Let me know if you'd like to get additional information and when you would like to get started. Once again, I'm Pandy of Pandy's Hair Candy and More, as well as the Simply Pandy Show. I want to thank you for taking a moment to tune in and learn a little bit more information about how you can very easily be in business for yourself. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.